What's going on, guys? In this short video we're gonna change some style of the navbar to make it look similar to a completed project. So let's open the code editor with the project folder, and in the navbar component let's make next changes. The background light gray color we change to dark one and save the changes. To do it fast, just use short keys Ctrl+S. Let's open a browser, and as we see, the background is changed. Now let's start working on navigation links. First of all, let's open the completed project as example. As we see, the navigation links has white color and text is uppercase. Also, the home link has a nice looking icon. So let's do something similar to this. Go back to code editor and get rid of two links, the drop down links and disable link. Don't forget to save it. To change the color, add the hyperlink tag, add the text white Bootstrap class. Also text dash uppercase class to make uppercase link text. To make process faster, I just copy these two classes and add it to the rest of the nav links. Let's call this one news. We need one more link for contact us page. Just copy news link and paste it on the bottom. Rename it to contact us. Let's switch to the browser. As we see, the style of links is changed. If we look at the completed project, the nav links at the center of navbar, there is margin between links and home link has icon. So let's go back to code editor. First of all, let's change the margin. Instead of margin right in the UL tag, we change it to m-auto, that's for center links inside the navbar. Also add ml-5 to each nav links to make a space between them. Now save it and switch to browser. Awesome, the styles work well. And the last thing we'll do for nav links, we're gonna add the font awesome icon to home link. Let's open font awesome site. Click start using free button. And what we need, just copy the CDN link to connect our project to Font Awesome library. Go back to the code editor and the public directory, open index.html file and paste it in the head. I'll do it after meta tag. Let's add comment to this. Font Awesome. Don't forget to save it. Let's go back to Font Awesome. In the search bar, type home. Grab this one, click copy HTML tag, go back to code editor, open navbar component, and after home text, add some space. It's gonna be and nb sp semicolon, and put copied Font Awesome icon in here. Save it and go back to browser to see the changes. Good, working good. Alright, we're done with navigation links. Now let's add the brand logo. First of all, we need to import logo. On the top, type import logo. You may name it whatever you like, but I name it logo. From root directory, we type the path /logo.svg. Instead navbar text, add img tag. In JSX text, attributes are written differently than in HTML. So in source, instead quotes, we place curly braces and type inside logo to give a path to our logo. So let's save it and go back to browser. Logo is showed up, but too big. So let's fix it. In JSX, like in HTML, we give a style, just add CSS attribute. So style equal double curly braces. It's important, make sure it's double. And inside curly braces, type width column. Inside the quotes, we give 35 pixels width size. Also, I give a margin left a little bit using Bootstrap class ml-5. Don't forget to save the file and open browser. Much better, huh? And last, what we'll do is change the search bar bottom from green to blue. To do it in bottom class name, we change Bootstrap class btn-outline-success to primary. Save it, and there you go. Let's compare with a completed project. Looks the same. Well done. If you're not subscribed yet, then please do it right now and hit the bell button to be informed when the next videos comes out. See you in the next videos.